If you think that the ysm.json is confusing, this BlockBench plugin will make your life so much easier. To download the plugin, you can follow the link in the description. It will lead you to the Chinese version of the ST model wiki, but you'll easily be able to see the file you have to download. Once you've downloaded it, you can open up BlockBench, then go to File, Plugin, and press this tiny button called Load Plugin from File. Then just select the file from where you saved it. Now you'll have this YSM dropdown where you can create or import a model. So what you can do is import your model folder, which will open this menu, where you can also open the ysm.json. It may look a bit confusing, but it's actually really easy to use. In the metadata part, you can write the model name and some tips or a description. Then there's the license and even an optional description for it. In the authors section, you can easily add more authors and edit them. You can also add some links here. In the properties, you can change the model scale and edit the extra animations or emotes. You can add more extra animations by pressing this button and pressing this one to edit them. Most of the time, you should just choose the option called extra animation. Then you can press this box to see the available animations. You can also write a name for the animation by choosing no config if you want it to be different from the one in BlockBench. If you choose has config, there will be a button like this in the animation wheel. The extra animation classify is a type of subroulette that opens when you press one of the big animation buttons. Then there's the extra animation buttons, which creates a small button in the animation wheel that you can use to customize your model. At the bottom, there are a few extra things you can configure, like the name of the animation that will be played in the model menu, the name of the default texture file, and some not that important checkboxes. In the player files, you can specify the locations of various files. You can also add animation controllers and add all the textures your model may have. In the arrow part, you can do exactly the same as in the player files, but only if you have custom arrows. When you've finished, you can press save, which will update the ysm.json